Hey everybody, just a quick video. These are my gutters. I don't want that to be the case anymore. So we are going to be putting in these. Literally cut them to size, stuff them in under the brackets after cleaning them out. Good to go. And use a pair of scissors to do so. I'm going to get off the phone now because I'm on a ladder trying to record something. There we go. That's one section done. Just got to do a whole bunch. And the way it'll work is some leaves will get stuck on their like normal gutter guard, but your gutters will never get to the point where they're clogged like mine were, because all of that came out of just this 2-foot section right here that's brand new today. So good luck with all that. Frankly, I'm looking forward to never having to get it up here and undoing that ever again. All right, there we go. Doing a whole lot better. That's about an hour and a half worth of work getting up and down the ladder. Not too bad for putting up the gutter guard by myself.